Here we are at our newest listing. This is a 28-foot touchless cover. This comes in about 28 feet long, about 10 feet 4 inches in width, and the height is about 9 feet 4 inches in height. Beauty of these touchless covers is you're gonna have a key fob. Okay, this slip is transferable. We've got a 6,600 pound Hydro-Hoist lift that is gonna go with this slip. You simply hit that button on your key fob and your boat is magically being uncovered. Of course, this is not magic. We got a system of cables and some little electric motors. Now, again, this slip is transferable. The boat lift is not included. It's just the touchless covers that is being sold. And the touchless cover can stay right here in this slip. So you would have the option of leasing out this slip. This is going to be available on an annual lease. You would own the touchless cover. You would be leasing the slip and the boat lift. 6,600 pound Hydro-Hoist boat lift. It is set up for a V-hull boat right now. The bunks can be changed on this to accommodate a pontoon or a tritoon. And with the size of this touchless cover, it's really going to be fine to accommodate any kind of a pontoon or tritoon. Again, because we're talking about 10 feet 4 inches in width, 28 feet in total length. So as long as your boat from bow to stern is within that. Now, some of your tritoons are not going to include the length of your motor. So if you're thinking about purchasing this, might be helpful to just stick a tape measure on your boat. Make sure you know what the total length of your boat is from the very start of the boat all the way to the back of the motor if you're talking about a tritoon. Pretty much any other V-hull is going to be fine to fit in here as long as you're within that 28 by 10.4 and by 9 feet 4 inches tall. This previously had a 2017 Tige RZX3, so about 23-foot wakeboard boat with a wakeboard tower. Had plenty of clearance under here from the height standpoint. Now, there is transferable warranty on this touchless cover that's going to run through March of 2026. Now, I'm going to actually show you how this thing works from the inside. I'm going to hit this switch, and also I'm going to call your attention to a little bit of not necessarily wear and tear, but because this is under warranty, we've already got it scheduled to do repair back here in this corner. There's either a cable that just needs to be reattached or adjusted, and we might have a little bit of a bent frame back here in this particular corner right here. So it kind of looks a little cockeyed now, but anyway, I just wanted to call your attention to that and basically tell you this is going to be repaired before it's sold. And again, it is going to have transferable warranty on here. Again, that transferable warranty is going to go through March of 2026. So what you're kind of seeing back here in this corner, as far as the bottom of that frame, and you can kind of see that cable's loose. We got a few loose cables here. All that's going to be checked out, repaired, and even after that, you're going to have a little bit of transferable warranty that will remain for this one. So let me spin around here. Can I give you the full? This is the full 360-degree tour of this one. So again, this is going to be for sale. You do not, if you want to take this to your slip, you do not have to transfer the slip lease. But it would be available if you are looking for something and you wanted to leave it right here. You would have that opportunity to do so. So again, the slip at this current slip would be available to be leased. It's going to be on an annual contract. You can pay monthly or annually for your slip fee here. And we are covered slip. But again, with this touchless cover, one beauty of these, they're going to give you some added security, because right now, if your boat's in here, it is not going to be easy to try to get from the dock into the boat without this key fob here for this cover. The other advantage to this, other than being a super easy way to cover and uncover your boat, is with it going almost to that dock edge, you're going to keep a lot of things out of the boat, as far as birds and things like that. You're also going to allow the boat to breathe. So you can put your boat away under a touchless cover with it dripping wet. And because there's going to be plenty of room in here for the air to circulate, you're not going to be returning to your boat and there's a science experiment that's taking place. Any other boat, if you are putting it away wet, you really don't want to cover it, because that's how those mildew stains show up on the very backs of those seats, where that cover's kind of touching your seats. That's because that it wasn't able to air out and dry. So touchless cover, you can be out in the middle of a rainstorm, pull in here, unload your stuff that you're taking home, drop the cover, and that boat's still going to be able to kind of breathe and ventilate and get plenty dry, as well as having the advantages of having a cover on it while you're away. So again, this touchless cover is for sale. Buyer will have the option to lease this slip and transfer this slip lease. But again, we'll also are going to be happy to sell this without transferring the lease, and you'll be able to take this to any dock or slip of your choice, obviously at the buyer's expense. So again, any questions, feel free to reach out to us. We do not monitor the YouTube comment page that you're watching this video on. So there is going to be a separate listing for this with all those details. Going to have the sizes that I told you about, the dimensions. That's all going to be over our website, which is at yournewboat.com. For your convenience, down in the video description of this video you're watching right now on YouTube, there's going to be a direct link to that listing page where you're going to be able to pop over there and see what the current asking price is. So ballpark, this is going to be somewhere around probably just under $10,000 for this touchless cover. And again, you're going to have a little bit of warranty left on this through March of 2026. And then, like I said, this slip is going to be transferable. Again, if you do want to keep it here, obviously, if you want to take it somewhere else, we'll be happy to put you in touch with the installers of this, and you can get you a price to have it, installed in the slip of your choice. So again, that's going to wrap things up here. You get two things to be coming up over top of your screen as usual. One's going to be a shortcut to our current listings playlist. We see all the other stuff that we have for sale, and the other is going to be a shortcut to subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you haven't already, it's a great way to get notified. This is proof right here. You never know what we're going to be listing next. This will be our first touchless cover that we will be listing, so happy to be able to offer that up for sale here in the beautiful Norris Lake area. So thank you again for joining us.